Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a landing page in Canva. It's super easy, so let's get started. In the search bar in your Canva dashboard, select Canva templates in the drop-down. Type landing page and hit enter. You'll see a variety of templates to choose from. Scroll through the templates and find one that suits your style. Click on a template to get a preview. If you want to use it, click Customize this template so you can start editing it. If there's an element you don't need, just click on it and press delete. To upload your own image, go to Uploads. Click on Upload an image or video. Locate and select it, then click Open. Click on it to add it to your canvas. Reposition and resize as needed. For the background, you can also upload your own or select one of the backgrounds available in Canva. Click on the Background tab and browse through the images to find the perfect background for you. You can edit the headline and description by double-clicking on them. Click out of it after editing and select it to change its font, color, size, and also add effects in the top toolbar. You can add more elements like graphics, shapes, and more. Click on the Elements tab. And in the search bar, enter the keywords for the element you're looking for. Click on an element to add it to your canvas. Resize and position it as needed. You can add a compelling or edit the existing call to action button. For example, free download, sign up here, or download here. Make sure everything is clear and enticing. In your call to action button, click on the text, then the three dots, and select link. Enter or paste your desired URL and click done. Now your button is clickable and ready to go. Once you're satisfied with the design, click on Publish Website. Canva will provide you with a URL for your site if you don't have a custom domain. If you have a custom domain or want to get one, click on the Edit button. Click on Get a New Domain and follow the prompts to bring your own domain or buy a new one. You can add a description for your landing page by going to Publish Settings. In the Advanced Settings, you can password protect your page, enable or disable search engine visibility, and enable or disable link preview. After changing your settings, click on Publish Website. Your landing page is now live. Creating a landing page with Canva is that simple. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.